My name is Jelena, and I'm a data and AI specialist at Google Cloud. And my role is to work with data engineers, data analysts, and data scientists, and to help them to use cloud data and AI to make the most of their data strategy and be successful on Google Cloud. So the most common GenAI use cases are around content generation to create different type of text, images, audios, etc. Then to improve customer service through AI-powered chatbots, to offer personalized recommendation and others. And then finally to boost employee productivity through different type of assistant tools for code generation, to create automated reports and to find information much quicker. The first thing that one should do is first to identify the AI strategy. So to understand what is actually the problem that they are solving for. Then to gather high quality data, because data is very important for machine learning systems. Then to start small, actually. We don't need to start immediately to build complex AI systems. So start small, experiment and test quickly. Obviously monitor once the GenAI model is deployed, to monitor its performance and also to make sure that we uphold all the security and safety measures. One of the things that we can definitely expect is the rise of multimodality models. So these are the models that can generate and process different types of data, so image, text, and others. We can definitely expect widespread adoption of GenAI use cases. We can definitely expect improved efficiency and accuracy of these models. And I think we can expect them also for some GenAI tools to be more accessible to also non-tech users, to be more user-friendly to users that don't have technical background. This technology has the potential to revolutionize the many industries, but there are also challenges as it's advanced technology that needs to be addressed from the beginning. And that's why Google has developed a set of responsible AI principles that we advise to also employees, but also our clients to use. These being first, that AI systems should be socially beneficial, that they're tested for safety, that they uphold, they're grounded on the latest scientific research, and yeah, mostly about this. Infobip has a background of building and enabling chatbots and integration systems behind, and therefore we believe that Google Cloud and the Infobip together can leverage also the potential of our machine learning platform, which is called Vertex AI, and the full power of it to offer the end users the best possible machine learning systems.